accepting input by redirection, pipe, and input file are common techniques in Unix-like operating system and command line interface. This method provides flexibility in how input data is supplied to a program or commands. Let's explore each of them with examples. Okay, so let's consider a scenario where we have a simple Python script that count the number of lines in a text file. Okay, we will demonstrate accepting input using redirection, piping, and also input file. So in here, inside this input folder, I'm going to create a new file, and this one is going to be count lines.py. Okay, this is a Python file, and I'm going to write a script here to count lines of a file. Okay, number of lines within a text file. So first I'm going to import sys. It is a standard library, okay, within the Python, and let's create a function. You know how to create a function. So I'm going to name this count lines, and let's go with total lines. Okay, right now it is going to be 0 because right now we don't have any. So now we're going to accept this input from command line. So let's use for a line in sys, that is the library that we imported, and it has a part, it is called stdin. This will allow us to use these inputs from users. Okay, so now let's go and increment these total lines. Okay, increment it by 1, and at the end let's return it. Return total lines. Okay, so this is the function we need, and down here I'm going to run it. Okay, so if the name is equal to main, then we are going to use result, which is going to be equal to the count lines, which is the function we have right over here. Okay, and after that I'm going to just print this. So it's gonna be total lines, and here let's have the result. Okay, so this is the program that is going to count number of line within a txt file. So let's save it, and within this folder, which is input, I will create a new file. It's going to be, for example, example.txt, and let's go with line 1 and line 2, line 3, line 4. So right now we have 4 lines here, okay, within this text file, and it is time to go and use these 3 methods that I told you. The first one is the redirection. Okay, so I will open a new terminal here. Let me move it up here. So what is the redirection symbol? So the redirection symbol is this one. Okay, this is smaller, I think. Okay, this is the redirection symbol. Let's go and run this. First, let's see what do we have here. So I have to go to input, and then I have to go to input. Now when I use ls, you see we have count line.py and example.txt. So let's run this one. Okay, I'm going to use Python and then count line.py. Now I'm going to accept this file from here. Okay, so I will use redirection symbol here and use example.txt. Let's hit enter, and it's telling me that you have total line number 4. Okay, you have 4 line here. Let me remove one of them. Okay, and save it and run it again. This time you see that it is telling me that total lines 3. So it is how we can use the redirection method, okay, to run this kind of stuff. There is another way of doing this, right? Okay, accepting input by pipe. So what is the pipe symbol? The pipe symbol, okay, I will cover that two method in the next video, so you'll learn them better. Okay,